Hey, welcome back to the National Defense. It's Randy Miller, and we are here day one of the AUSA Conference and meeting. We've been blown away so far by everything that we've seen. And I mean, if you can't come to this thing and feel good about your country, right?
That's right. Absolutely. It's hard not to feel the patriotism.
Yeah. And one of the companies we're talking to is Kongsberg, and we're here with Heather Armentrout, President and General Manager of some of these remarkable products. What do we have behind us here?
Well, here in AUSA Exhibitor Space, we have 13 systems in 8 partner booths. So we've got quite a bit beyond even what you see here. Our CROWS remote weapon stations, as well as the MATIS system, and what you cannot see but what connects everything, which is really cool, is the integrated combat system.
Yeah, there's so much defense technology, right? I mean, it feels like you're walking through the future here.
Absolutely. Well, the future is also now, as we are seeing. Europe is at war, and that has given us an opportunity to prove in combat that our systems work.
So now tell us a little bit about Kongsberg, because you guys are originally a Norwegian company, is that true?
That's right. The company has quite a rich legacy, 200 and some odd years old. So it is, a rich history with a long history of performance.
And I know that you've already got some equipment that being used in Ukraine.
That's right. We have the Typhoon program operating in Ukraine. So that is proving our counter-UAS capabilities. And NASAMS is also in Ukraine, air defense.
So Heather, what is your background?
Well, I have been helping partners and allies for my entire adult life. Graduating from Georgetown School of Foreign Service, heavy in diplomacy, I joined the Central Intelligence Agency right after college, worked there for 15 years, and then went to Northrop Grumman, where I had a variety of executive roles, also on the international realm, and then here joined Kongsberg back in February.
And I know that Kongsberg has been helping the DoD for at least 20 years.
That's right. Kongsberg has been in the United States for a generation, 20 years. We have the largest production facility outside of Norway in the United States. That's in Johnstown. And that is part of that 20-year legacy. So when they hired me in February, this is the next chapter, the next generation, so to speak, and we're really excited.
Yeah, and you guys are also building a missile system factory in James City County, Virginia?
It sounds like you might have heard about some of our press announcements. Yeah. So yes, on September the 17th, we announced that we will indeed produce both the Naval Strike Missile and Joint Strike Missile here, as well as sustain the capability and be able to provide that resilient, robust supply chain for the U.S. and our global customers.
Yeah, this is incredible. We're talking to Heather Armentrout here, President and General Manager of a great company called Kongsberg. And, this is so exciting for us because with our presence on radio stations in the United States and Armed Forces Radio Network, we actually connect with the people who are pushing the buttons of your equipment, right?
That's what matters the most. We exist to serve the warfighter. That's right.
So what does this mean to you? This has got to make you pretty proud to see all of this attention and all of these capabilities that Kongsberg produces, and then to hear the comments and get the feedback from the military.
It's incredibly rewarding. I mean, I hear from our customers daily that what we do matters, and that motivates all of our employees. Some of our employees are also veterans, or like myself, have served in other parts of the national security establishment, and that's what drives us every day.
Now, is this is this your first time at AUSA?
First time with Kongsberg.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is our first time here, and it is just, it's mind-blowing to walk around here and see what is possible, and it just makes you proud, to be here and proud of our military.
Absolutely. We are proud to work with all of the armed forces, but the Army and the Marine Corps are also near and dear, especially here on display. So it's a great chance for us to get feedback as well. We don't want to just tout our successes. We want to hear what the hard problems are and how we can step up to help the Army and the rest of our customers solve them.
All right, so I want to talk to our audience that's active duty military, getting ready to transition out. You look for people who love electronics.
Yes, we do. Yep, we are looking for folks that love technology, innovation, and absolutely.
So all military nerds come apply, right?
Please, all military nerds and veterans, please.
Yeah, and veterans, absolutely. Well, Heather, this is such a treat. Thank you so much for taking the time. Thank you for what Kongsberg is doing for our military.
Thank you so much for your time.
We'll be right back here in the National Defense.